In this video, we are going to see how you can find the existing transactions that is already entered in QuickBooks. So let's get started. Now, before moving forward to our next entry, we have very important thing to discuss, and that is that if you have made any mistake in any document and you want to locate it, but the problem is that you have already entered a lot of documents and you cannot just simply go and locate it by going to previous one. It will take a lot of time if there are many orders in between. So let's say I want to locate the order number 55. So right now we only have one order, but what if we have 100 orders and we want to go on the 10th order number 10? So in that case, I'll use the find function. What find function does is you can locate it by customer. If you remember the customer name, perfect. But if you don't, you can search it by date. If you don't remember anything, but you remember the time period, you can locate by invoice or the amount number. So in this case, I want to locate order number 55. So let's enter 55 here and click enter. Okay, we are in invoice. I'll go to the sales order and go to the find, and order number is 55. So as you can see that I can directly locate it from here. We can also use some advanced options, and under the advanced I can mention any particular criteria to find the documents. You need to explore it by yourself. So we have a lot of options here. You can check. The other way of doing this is this search option. This is an amazing area where you can locate the document. For example, if you are not sure from which area you entered the particular entry. For example, in the right checks, we have this repair and maintenance expense of 5,000. Now I just remember 5,000, but I don't remember the accurate area. So what I can do is just write 5,000 here, and any entry of 5,000 will appear. From here I can choose. So we have a bill of some amount. We have this check option. So let's check this, open, and this is the entry. And right now it's showing many other details, but we can specify that. I can open and I can filter it by these records. We can also locate the order numbers. For example, 55, let's write here, and it will locate the sales order for us. So guys, this is how you can find and edit the transactions in QuickBooks.